guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Fit Thick with Purple 6. I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel, watching the video, just everything in general. So let me stop rambling, because as you can see, this is like my second video on here. Just to give you guys a little background information, I am finally deciding to go ahead my fitness journey. So I've been into fitness for over 20 years now. But as of recently, I've been really inconsistent with my fitness routines. I'm kind of up and down, back and forth, kind of yo-yo dieting. I've yet to get back to what I remember being, which there's a picture here. It's going to be on either one of these sides. I have yet to get back to that. Oh, I've been experiencing a lot of bloat, unnecessary body fat. And I have not completely got out of whack, but I just know where I started and where I want to be. So I was on Instagram most recently. I love Instagram. And I ran into this company by the name of Affinity. Now, I know there's a lot of companies that are on Instagram, are fitness companies out there in general, period. But for some reason, this particular company stood out to me. I did a little bit of research and I was getting different reviews, seeing different points of views. And then I've also seen some people that said they actually did get results. So I told myself that, hey, what do I have to lose? Let me go ahead and try this whole little brand and see what it does for me and how I feel. And I'm going to jump on YouTube and tell people what I think about it and what it does. Like I said, what it has done for me. Because some of those videos helped me out. So here I am. I mentioned it was like around Black Friday. They had this little special going on where it was like a certain amount off. So it was like a good price at the moment. So that also helped out too. So I got the entire kit. So what I want to do at this point, I want to go ahead and do a semi-review on each product. Now, I have not finished everything yet, so I will come to you with a video on that. But I have already started. I would probably say I've been on these products for like maybe 2 to 3 weeks already. As far as weight loss, I will tell you a little bit more about that in another video, just because I don't really want to talk about it because I haven't been consistent. So I can't really tell you much about it yet. But what I want to do is I just want to tell you guys on what my experience has been as far as how this makes me feel. Because I've seen a lot of people say that these products has caused them stomach cramps, headaches, and jitters. And I will say that my experience has not quite been the same. I'm going to tell you why and how to prevent those problems if you have gotten those problems. So let's start. So the first thing I want to review here is this product here. So it's the Firm Body Sculptor. So just to kind of explain to you what the Firm Body Sculptor is supposed to be. So the Firm Body Sculptor is supposed to help you get that extra tone that you're looking for. So let's say if you're trying to have that muscles in your body, like your quadriceps, your inner thigh muscles, your stomach muscles, like your oblique muscles, all that good stuff, then the Body Sculptor is going to help those particular muscles pop out for you. Not only that, it's going to also help you with cellulite, things like that. So it's going to help firm up your body muscles as well. Because a lot of women, especially myself, suffer from cellulite, particularly in my lower body. So this helps out with that. So that's what the Firm Body Sculptor is for. Tummy, the belly, the beat belly bloat thing here. So this is going to be good for, like it says, bloat. So I'm not going to compare it to like what they call the CLA supplement. just because this is simply, to me, based off of my experience, targeted towards belly bloat, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna say I've experienced my stomach, experienced burning fat in my stomach more because of this. You read the instructions, it tells you to take this in the mornings with breakfast, or you could take this up to 6 times per day, so 2 capsules after every meal if you are experiencing bloat. So that's what this is really triggered towards. As far as noticing the effects on this, I would say I had a better experience with the CLA supplement. So I haven't really noticed this decreasing bloat as much. However, my eating regimen has not been on point either. So that's why I said I don't really want to get too involved into what it has done for me yet. So let's move on. So now we got the lean fat burner. Now, out of everything, I'm going to say that this is by far my fave. So if you go to the website on Affinity, you don't have to purchase the whole entire set. They do let you choose what you want to purchase. So you can purchase each one of these a la carte, or they do have just the supplements by themselves, or you could just buy these two, or you could just buy the shake. If you had to make a choice, I am going to definitely say go with this particular product, the fat burner. The reason why is because when you look at the label, it tells you to take 2 supplements in the morning after breakfast on normal days. Now, on exercise days, it says take 2 capsules before you exercise. So, now, I'm not going to lie, I have not been taking these every single day. I think you're supposed to take it every day, but I've only been taking it when I exercise. And my goodness, y'all, like, when I exercise and work out, after taking this, I sweat like crazy. Like, I can literally feel the toxins releasing from my body. I can literally feel the burn with this stuff right here. And I will say, like, when I work out with this stuff, like, I literally notice like an extra rush of adrenaline go through me. So I feel absolutely great. I feel more energetic. It does not give me the jitters at all. Like, this feels great to me. If it's a feeling you're not used to, you may be thrown off a little bit. But just know that it's just the product itself working. So don't feel so afraid, like, oh my gosh, I don't know this feeling. It's just that your metabolism has hiked up a bit because it's burning fat. So, like I said, this product here in itself is by far my favorite, period. Alright, so then let's move on to the protein shake. Now, to me, this is just like a typical protein shake. It's just a meal replacement shake. So it's nothing different than what you're probably used to when it comes to a meal replacement shake. It says take 1 scoop with 6 to 8 ounces of water in the morning or during lunchtime. So it's just what you're used to. They do have vanilla and I think chocolate, I believe. I chose vanilla because I'm not really a chocolate fan. But the actual shake itself, if you look at the ingredients here, the first thing on the ingredients script is whey protein, of course, but then it also has sweet potato powder in it. You can taste the sweet potato in this shake, period. This is the first protein shake I have ever had that had sweet potato in it, and it actually tastes like it. Luckily, I like sweet potato. So because I like sweet potato, this is a really, really delicious smoothie to me. So if you are looking for a smoothie that tastes good, that is fulfilling and that's going to fill you up, then I will say this would be a good meal replacement shake or powder to go with. Now, I tend to mix mine up with different types of fruits and yogurts and stuff like that. So I'm going to have some videos coming up for you guys where I'm going to show you different ways to modify this smoothie to make it an actual breakfast. So that also plays a part in why I feel like it's really delicious. I kind of explained to you guys what each one of these products are, just to kind of give you an idea of how often you're supposed to take it, and to and also you guys can take all of these at once too, by the way. So don't feel afraid to take all of them, because you can take them all together. But as far as the actual Firm Body Sculptor, so it is suggested that you do take this one up to 3 times a day. So take 1 capsule after every single meal. So take one at the breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, so 1 capsule of the Firm Sculptor a day. The belly bloat, so as I told you, now this one here, you can take it 2 caps after breakfast. But like I said, on days that you feel like you're absolutely bloated, you could take 2 capsules after every meal, and you can take up to 6. So I would say if it's around the time your period is on, or you had a lot of alcohol previously, or water, and your body has retained it, then it would be good for that. This fat burner, like I said, on normal days, you're going to want to take this with breakfast, 2 capsules. But on exercise days, take it after, before you work out. And be sure you take it with food, of course. If I don't take it with food, I normally just drink milk. Almond milk is my choice. And then this is, like I said, a typical shake, so you already kind of know what to go with that. Last but not least, I just want to tell you guys what it does to me as far as how I feel and why I think I'm not getting a bad experience. I've seen a lot of reviews, like I said, before I purchased these products, and a lot of people have said, it makes me feel jittery, headaches, aches, don't take this. Guys, I still tried it out because I felt like, I know why they're feeling that. So here's the secret, guys, and it's not even really a secret. The key to not feeling those jitters, those headaches, those stomach cramps is just simply this: water. Water is your best friend. When it comes to taking all of these type of supplements together, you need to make sure your body is staying hydrated. If you are not hydrated, then your the medications are not flowing through your system like it should. It's not, your blood is not flowing properly, and therefore it's not going to give you the effects that it should. So you need to be drinking your water. Now I have a gallon jug here through Hydromates. This kind of helps me keep on track. It tells me what time I'm gonna need to drink my water for the day, so it definitely helps out. But guys, this has been my secret from not feeling those experiences that other people have had. Water, that's it. Point blank, period. Make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day, and you will not get any of those problems. With that being said, I don't feel bad at all taking these. I don't have any headaches, stomach cramps. The only thing, like I said, I may feel is just a little extra adrenaline going through my body from the lean fat burner. But that's just because it's a fat burner. It's boosting your metabolism at the moment. Besides that, I don't feel nothing. I feel great taking these products. So this video, like I said, was mainly just to kind of give you guys a review on how the product is, what it's supposed to do, how often to take it. But of course, I do want to come back later to kind of show you guys results. I also want to show you, like I said, some modifications that you could make with your smoothie in the morning if you decide to go with this, okay? But please leave a comment below, subscribe, rate, like this video. That'll keep me pumped up to bring you guys more reviews on products like this. Just stay tuned for a lot of fitness, guys. Like I said, my whole goal this year is to focus more on fitness. I have always aspired to be a personal trainer, so this is a dream of mine. And I just want to finally get in shape and fit in front of you guys. And hopefully you guys would join me in my journey. If you decide to purchase these products, let me know like what it has done for you. If you already have taken the products, if you have results, please let me know. I do also have the Instagram that I am working on right now. I should be on Twitter soon, so we can communicate that way too, and we can share our results, guys. Thank you so much for watching Fit Thick with Purple 6. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.